Hi, I'm Julia, and this is Shiseido's DAIYA FUDE Face Duo Makeup Brush. What's great about this brush is that it has two different applicators. It has a gel tip side applicator as well as a synthetic brush side that's shaped like a diamond. I'm going to start with the Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Liquid Foundation. I'm just going to pump a little bit of product onto my hand. And then I'm going to start with the gel tip. So what's great about the gel tip is that it acts like a fingertip and helps warm up product before you apply it onto your face. So I'm going to apply some foundation onto my face in a dabbing motion. And this is great because it helps you place the product on. This gel tip really gets into the contours and different areas of your face. Now I'm going to go back with a synthetic brush to buff and blend everything out. This brush is so soft, guys. I wish you guys could feel it. So I'm just going to go in a circular motion and kind of blend all of the product. What's great is that it doesn't leave any streaks or lines. It's very soft. Okay, now I'm going to go back on the other side. Start with the gel tip and just dab some product onto your face. And then use the synthetic brush again to blend everything out. So the synthetic brush is also really good for bronzers, highlighters, and all types of powder. And basically this brush is good for any type of product. You can use it with liquids, gels, creams, and powders. So you can use the gel tip also with liquid foundation and concealer. And it's really good because instead of using a sponge tip applicator, it does not absorb all of the product. So a little bit of product goes a long way. This brush is definitely perfect for your everyday makeup kit for a perfect flawless look.